Hi, this is a tutorial on how to create a scatter plot and also to find the regression equation that shows the relationship between the two variables in the scatter plot, and also how to find the correlation coefficient that shows how strong the relationship is. So first, you want to go to plots and you want to click create plot, and then you want to choose scatter plot. Once you do that, you need to select your data set. So I'm going to choose home prices. This is the same data set that I used in the video lectures for correlation and regression. You also have access to this if you go to my groups, and you can import this from the data that I have shared with the class. So once you click on your data set, you need to decide your predictor variable, and that would be size of the house. That's your X. And then the response variable, that's going to be our Y, which is selling price. And then if I just hit the eyeball, you will see a scatter plot. Okay, very similar to the one that was in the notes earlier. Now, if I go back to basics, I can do a couple other things. I can change the title. So I'm going to do that real quick. Let's see. House size versus selling price. And then the x-axis was house size in square feet. And the y-axis was selling price in thousands. Okay, so let's just take a look at that, and you'll see that has changed the title and the label for the X and the Y axis. So one more thing, go back to basics. So the other thing that I was going to show you how to do is how to get the correlation coefficient, the R, as well as the regression equation. It's really easy once you have clicked everything else. If you'll look right up here next to data set, it says show correlation and LS equation. Click that, and then down here where it says superimpose, click LS line, and then view it. And look here at the top above our graph, we have the correlation coefficient. This is R, which is equal to 0.90059, the same thing we got in the earlier video, and the least squares line, which is the least squares regression line, or what we call the regression line. And it says selling price in thousands is equal to 160.19 plus 0.09918 times the size of the house. So this is, even though it doesn't look like an equation, this is the selling price, which is Y equals 160.119 plus 0.099198 X, because X is the size of the house. So instead of having X's and Y's, they replace it with the what each of those variables represent. But it is, in fact, the equation, the same equation that we got using the TI calculator and using Desmos. So again, real quick, let's go through the steps. We hit plots, we create a scatter plot, we choose our data set, and we choose predictor variable, which is size of the house, and response variable, which is selling price. We click show correlation, and we click LS line here, and we change the title if need be. And x-axis was size in square feet, and y-axis was price in thousands. Put it like that. View, and you can not only view the scatter plot, but at the top also the equation and the correlation coefficient. Okay, that is all. If you have questions, let me know.